Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode, I would like to tell you how to run OpenClaw for free, even if you don't have GPU, Graphical Processing Unit. I managed it by using free large language model from OpenRouter. You can see here, this is a screenshot of Telegram, that it is using OpenRouter model called Qwen 3.6 Plus, which is free, and it is using API key from OpenRouter. So how to do it? You have to go to OpenRouter and click on the Explore Models. Or you can go to this link, openrouter.ai models. And here you can see models that are cheap, and there are some models that are free. Recently, extremely good, very intelligent model is available for free for a couple weeks. It's called, not forever, because this is promotion. It's called Qwen 3.6. But there are other free models on OpenRouter that are less intelligent. And you can find them by going here to prompt pricing and switching to free. You see? And now, when you in the prompt pricing, you set this slider to free, you see only free models. And at the top is Qwen 3.6. And Qwen 3.6 is extremely powerful. It will not be forever for free. Here is the announcement. It is live on OpenRouter for a limited time. The rumor has it it's only 2 weeks. Experience the future of Agentic AI. And I tested it. It is much better than mini models. It's very intelligent. It is powered by Alibaba from China. Alibaba has their own cloud. Now, you can see here is a client, and there are several models here listed. And if I go to the Vim editor and I look at here at file called openclaw.json, I can see that these models are here, and the OpenRouter auto is not needed, but I kept it because it is not used. I use this Qwen here 3.6, and if you call this command in SSH client openclaw 2e, then you can see here that it is running, and you can, even without Telegram, you can use it then. So this is the OpenClaw tool. You can scroll here, and you can see this is the command, OpenClaw 2e. And I was asking him the questions, hello, who are you, what LLM are you using, and this is showing everything. And here you can see the requests also and usage in your activity. And I have credited it, but this credit is not used, but I credited it only because if you put a credit, then you get 1,000 requests per day, still for free, instead of 50 requests per day. And in this way, you can also use OpenRouter /free instead of using this specific here, the OpenRouter /Qwen and so on. So, if you have any specific questions about the content covered in this video, leave a comment. I will answer them all, and please like and subscribe.